When it comes to other tools, up here we have markups. So here you have like all the familiar stuff like text boxes. You can have notes, pen, highlighter, and it will of course recognize text, or you can freehandly draw out the markups. Yeah, you have arrows, lines, arc, ellipse, cloud, cloud plus. Lets you create a cloud with a text box. Check this. And those as well will be show up in the markup list. So every single markup that you would like is a prefix there. You also have stamps. You can create your own custom stamps with your signature or time and date, approve, rejected, and stuff like that. So I can just take this one, for instance, and place that there and scale it. And everything is customizable, so you can, these are some examples, but you can always create your own stamps. And it will follow the Bluebeam profile that you're using. So we typically recommend that you create your custom profile with things that you typically use. For instance, different stamps or measuring tools or customized markups. So you already have that in your profile.